universal mind. Listen, yo, check it, yo. It's like hidden from our own essence, diluted, we're watered down, lost trying to be found. Our consciousness is underground, hidden potential seem to set off like a missile, transcending from the third density with intensity, shrouded enemy. Not presented, veiled from a panoramic, damage is dramatic, not pragmatic in solving havoc. Earth depleting, exhausting from global wickedness. Inhabitants of oceans are dying because of sinfulness. Ridiculously sinful corporations are insidious, twisting up our minds, food in air, many delirious. Powerful nuclear weapons tested, placed in possession. If they set off intentions, we could be gone in a second. Viruses injected like venom into your body for your slow demise. But way more than flesh and blood, we've all got our soul inside. Trying to raise above these demons that have this planet bound, restricted and enslaved, afflicted and in chains. It's just a matter of time until we rise up. We hate the system design and many wised up. Our consciousness gonna climb until it's global. I'm hopeful cause our minds are universal. It's just a matter of time until we rise up. We hate the system design and many wised up. Our consciousness gonna climb until it's global. I'm hopeful cause our minds are universal. Check it, we're so detached from each other. Time to come together, sever any barriers. Our programming entangled in. We're all beings, real citizens, all equal and brilliant. These restrictions are killing us, the corporations are billing us. Avoiding tax trickers, governments get payoffs blatant. Tax evasion through nations but never heard them give a statement. Avoiding payment while a child worker is in the basement, working in enslavement. They're happy with this arrangement. The super elite's greed monopolizes our resources, controlling the masses. They've had this system established. Democracy, freedom has vanished. Entrapment, feeling like daggers. They've got us being like hamsters, running a never-ending spinning wheel. This ain't unreal. Many innocent blood spills. Then they fabricate wars and then they tuck mills. We need to rise from this unharmonic paradigm, shifting our evolution, passing through the sands of time. It's just a matter of time until we rise up. We hate the system design and many wised up. Our consciousness gonna climb until it's global. I'm hopeful cause our minds are universal. It's just a matter of time until we rise up. We hate the system design and many wised up. Our consciousness gonna climb until it's global. I'm hopeful cause our minds are universal. We're all one but in a duality experience. A spirit's journey is limitless, everlasting in sequences, vividness. If we witness this many lives lived in different bodies, places and time, forget, disconnect with divine. Macabre to remember these lives. Activation through the dark void, memory fully intact, no threat of reboot, relapse. The system hope it collapse. We can uprise from this failing state, many debates, but still we haven't erased these politicians and their greedy ways, stifling the 99%. Attack but many lack of defense. They want our minds comatose, I suppose, when us fully froze, those in a state of hypnosis. But we're fully focused, consciousness super spreading that locust. Universal mind shine and exponentially climb. It's gonna happen, it's been building up. Many waking up, time to break free from the grasp they've been holding us.